In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contacts on Sendgrid. Let's get started right inside your Sendgrid dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the main navigation menu. You'll want to hover over or click on the section labeled Marketing. This is where Sendgrid keeps everything related to your marketing campaigns, including your contact lists. From that marketing menu, choose Contacts. That will take you to the main contacts area where you can view and manage all of the people in your database. When you land on the contacts page, you'll usually see different views or filters, like segments or specific lists. For this process, we want to make sure we're looking at every contact available, not just a subset. So, in the List View options, select All Contacts. This ensures that when you search, you're searching across your entire contact database, which helps avoid confusion if the same person appears in multiple lists or segments. Now that you're viewing all contacts, go to the search bar at the top of the contacts table. Here, type in the email address of the specific contact you want to remove. As you type, Sendgrid will filter the results and show you any matching contacts. Make sure you double-check the email address you've entered so you don't accidentally delete the wrong person, especially if you have similar or test addresses in your account. Once you see the contact you want to delete in the results list, look over to the right-hand side of that contacts row. You should see a small trash icon that represents the delete action. Before clicking it, quickly confirm that the contact details match the person you intend to remove. When you're sure, click the trash icon. After you click the trash icon, a confirmation pop-up will appear. This is Sendgrid's way of preventing accidental deletions. The pop-up will ask you to confirm that you want to delete this contact. Take a moment to read the message so you understand that this action is permanent for that contact. When you're ready, select the option that says, Delete this contact. Once you confirm, Sendgrid will remove that contact from your list. If you refresh the page or search for the same email again, you should no longer see it in your All Contacts view. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly and safely delete individual contacts from your Sendgrid account whenever you need to keep your list clean and up to date.